Hi, it's Sandra, and I am doing a video on my favorite time of the month, which is my giveaway. And just so you know, last month's winner did not claim their winnings. So these two plates, if you don't remember or you didn't watch, are M144, which is the kitty plate. Let me get this close, which I think is adorable. And a recently new plate for Maniology is M437. I think that's adorable too. So these two plates are up for grabs for August giveaway. And I also got a Uber Chic plate, and it is called, what is it called? Tropic Like It's Hot. And I'm gonna open, I bought one for myself. So this is the pictures that are on the back, and I'm gonna try and open this and see what we can, of course, I'll give away the one that is unopened. And I think I've said a million times before, I love Uber Chic. I think their plates are great, but I hate the sleeves that they put these plates in. They need to come up with something that's a little bit more sturdy, because these things rip like crazy. Okay, so Uber Chic started doing actually what Clear Jelly Stampers, I think, started first. I don't know, that's the first time I had seen it. And what they have done is they have done this little plastic thing, so that way you can put it on your nail and see how it's gonna fit. So I think that's really cool. And I really like these hibiscus. Love the palm trees. I mean, look how cute those are. And then these leaves that you can put stuff on. Now this right here, I actually have it upside down. The square and the circle are actually used to put the words in. I thought that was really cute too. So you've got some negative images, very cute. I love the flamingo here. You could do reverse painting. You don't have to do reverse painting. Gives you a whole lot of options. Here's the plate. Kind of don't really need to see the plate now that you saw that. And then this card tells you how to stamp. So I think this is a really, really cute plate. In fact, I think I'm gonna actually do a manicure, do it on camera. Let's talk about the giveaway though. These are the 3 plates that are going to be in the giveaway, the Uber Chic and the 2 Maniology. And don't forget, if you do buy anything from Maniology, please use my discount code. You get 10% off and I get a little bit of commission. Code is NS10. I'm going to give these away. You need to get your entry in August the 30th, and you need to get that in by, which is a Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, August the 30th. And sometime after that, it'll be either Saturday or Monday. Last month, I was really late. I didn't think about it till Tuesday. There was a lot of stuff going on. I will pick a winner after that. And then what happens is, once somebody wins, all they have to do is email me at nailstampology@gmail.com with their mailing address, and I will ship this out. Now, to enter, what you must do is put enter in my comments, and you must be a subscriber. If you are not a subscriber, if I pick a winner and you're not a subscriber, then I move on to the next person. So those are the criteria for the giveaway. Please, if you enter these giveaways, come back and look to see if you win or not. So we've got 2 from July and 1 brand new plate from Uber Chic. Good luck to everyone, and thanks for watching.